Realize.
Hey, baby girl.
You got the hiccups?
Hmm?
You got the hiccups?
Oh, we got the hiccups again. Not my fault this time. I did not put a bottle in your mouth.
Hi.
There we go. That's much easier. Yes, it is. Hiccup. Oh. Hiccups. You go boo. Boo. Boo.
Mama's silly.
Boo.